Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. My name is Max and welcome to my channel. Today we are in the department of vocabulary and we want to talk about colors in French language. So let's enjoy this beautiful day together. So, let's talk about colors. Colors are adjectives, and adjectives always match by gender and the number with the noun they modify. So, there are 4 forms for each color: singular male, singular female, plural male, and plural female. So, the first color is red, which we call it rouge in French language. It has 4 forms. The male singular form is rouge. The female singular form is also rouge. The male plural form is also rouge, although we have an S at the end of it, but this S is mute. And finally, the female plural form is also pronounced as rouge. Now let's check a few examples together to understand how to use different forms in real sentences. Imagine I want to say a red umbrella. We would say un parapluie rouge. The word parapluie, which means umbrella, is a male noun in French language, so I chose the male form of red, which is rouge. Next one, I want to say a red shirt, une chemise rouge. The word chemise is a female noun, so I chose the female form of red. Next one, I want to say some red umbrellas, des parapluies rouges. The word parapluie in this sentence is a male plural noun, so I chose the male plural form of red. And the last example is some red shirts, des chemises rouges. The word chemise in this example is a female plural noun, so I chose the female plural form of red. The next color is blue, which is bleu in French language. The male singular form is bleu. The female singular form is bleu. The male plural form is bleu, and the female plural form is, once again, bleu. As you can see, the way we pronounce them is all the same, but the way we write them is absolutely different. Now let's check a few examples together. A blue umbrella is un parapluie bleu. A blue shirt is une chemise bleue. Some blue umbrellas, des parapluies bleus. And finally, some blue shirts, des chemises bleues. The next color is green, which is vert in French language. The male singular form of this color is vert. The female singular form is verte. The male plural form is vert, the S is mute, and the female plural form is verte. The S is mute again. Now, let's check a few examples together. Un parapluie vert, une chemise verte, des parapluies verts, and finally, des chemises vertes. And the next color is yellow, which is jaune in French language. The male singular form is jeune. The female singular form is again jeune. And the male plural form is jeune. The S is mute, and the female plural form is also jeune. Now a few examples together. Un parapluie jaune. Une chemise jaune. Des parapluies jaunes. And finally, des chemises jaunes. As you can see, the way we pronounce yellow in French language is the same, but the way we write them is different. The next color is white, which is blanc in French language. The male singular form is blanc. The female singular form is blanche. The male plural form is blanc. The S is mute, and the female plural form is blanche. Now, let's check a few examples together. Un parapluie blanc. Une chemise blanche. Des parapluies blancs. And finally, des chemises blanches. Next color is black, which is noir. The male singular form is noir. The female singular form is also pronounced noir. The male plural form is noir. The S is mute, and the female plural form is noir. A few examples. Un parapluie noir. Une chemise noire. Des parapluies noirs. Des chemises noires. And the last color of our list is brown, which we call it marron in French language. This color has only one single form for all types of nouns. And as you can see, in all our examples, it didn't change. Alright, my friends, now it's time to practice a short conversation between you and I. If this is how we say the bananas in French language, then how can we say yellow bananas? Des bananes jaunes. Awesome. Now, if this is how we say the pencil in French language and it's a male noun, then how can we say I need a black pencil? J'ai besoin d'un crayon noir. Great. And if this is how we say the fish in French language, how can we say he is afraid of that blue fish? Il a peur de ce poisson bleu. That was awesome, guys. Alright everyone, thanks for watching and I hope you liked this episode. Please do not forget to support me by sharing and subscribing. If you want to learn a few useful words about the house in French language, check this video. Thanks a lot and I will see you next time.